at, on, in, 8 p.m. ese turizirishamo iki? Turizirishamo at kubera iki? So at tuyikoresha tuvuga time cyangwa se location, tugakoresha on tuvuga days cyangwa se dates, tugakoresha in tuvuga seasons, months cyangwa se years. So niyo mpamvu hano kuri 8 p.m. turi bukoreshe at 8 p.m. dukoresha time. So Sunday turakoresha, twabonye ko turabizi ko Sunday ari umunsi, ubwo Sunday twabonye ko dukoresha on, iminsi dukoresha on Sunday. The airport ni location, kuri airport ku kibuga cy'indege ni location, kandi twabonye ko kuri location dukoresha at, turavuga ngo at the airport, ku kibuga cy'indege. 2nd of June, itariki ebyiri z'ukwa gatandatu, aho ni mu matariki, kandi twabonye ko mu matariki dukoresha on, turavuga ngo on 2nd of June, ku itariki ebyiri z'ukwa gatandatu. November ni ukwezi, kandi twabonye ko mu mezi dukoresha in, ubwo turavuga ngo in November. Rain day, twabonye ko ku minsi dukoresha on, rainy days. 2025 ni umwaka, kandi twabonye ko mu myaka dukoresha in 2025. Monday morning ni umunsi, kandi twabonye ko ku minsi dukoresha on, ubwo turavuga ngo on Monday morning. Let's jump to the difference between many and much. So dukoresha much tuvuga uncountable, tugakoresha many tuvuga countable. Iyo tuvuze uncountable tuba tuvuze ibintu bitabarika, twavuga countable tukaba tuvuze ibibarika. Ushobora kuvuga ngo I drink ... water. Amazi arabarika, amazi ntago abarika, kandi twabonye ko ibitabarika dukoresha much, ubwo turavuga ngo I drink much water, nywa amazi menshi. He has ... friends. Inshuti zirabarika. Yes, inshuti zirabarika. Ushobora kuvuga ngo Caleb inshuti yanjye ya mbere, inshuti yanjye ya kabiri ni Enoch, inshuti ya gatatu yanjye ni inshuti zirabarika. Dukoresha many, turavuga ngo he has many friends, afite inshuti nyinshi. I don't need ... help. Ubufasha ntabwo bubarika, so niyo mpamvu turi buvuge ngo I don't need much help, ntabwo tuvuga ngo I don't need many help, no. He reads ... books. Ese ibitabo birabarika? Yes, ibitabo birabarika, ni countable. Niyo mpamvu tuvuga ngo he reads many books, asoma ibitabo byinshi. We don't have ... time. Ese igihe kirabarika? Igihe kimwe, ibihe bibiri, ibihe bitatu, ibihe bine? No, igihe nacyo ntabwo kibarika. Niyo mpamvu tuvuga ngo I don't have much time, ntabwo mfite umwanya uhagije. They are ... students barabarika? Yes, abanyeshuri barabarika, abanyeshuri umwe, babiri, batatu, bane. Turavuga ngo there are many students, hari abanyeshuri benshi. I don't have ... money. Amafaranga. Ese amafaranga arabarika? Amafaranga ntabwo abarika, gusa abantu benshi bajya bagira ngo ari muri countable. Impamvu amafaranga ari mu bitabarika nuko ntabwo wafata inoti ya 5, inoti y'igihumbi, inoti ya 200, inoti ya 500 n'igiceri cy'ijana. ngo nurangiza nushaka kuyabara uvuge ngo ufate ririya jana uvuge ngo rimwe, ufate inoti ya 500 uvuge ngo kabiri, ufate inoti y'igihumbi gatatu, ufate inoti ya 2 kane, ufate inoti ya 5 ngo gatanu. Ubonye amafaranga angahe? 5. No, amafaranga ntago abarika, niyo mpamvu dukoresha much. Niyo mpamvu turavuga ngo I don't have much money, ntago mfite amafaranga menshi. There dash dash cars, imodoka zirabarika, turavuga ngo there many cars, imodoka zirabarika. Don't add dash dash sugar, isukari irabarika? No, isukari ntago ibarika, iri muri uncountable, niyo mpamvu dukoresha much. Don't add much sugar, ntiwongeremo isukari nyinshi. There dash dash chairs, intebe zirabarika? Yes, intebe zirabarika. Niyo mpamvu tuvuga ngo hari intebe nyinshi. We have dash dash work, ese akazi karabarika? Mfite utuzi twinshi? No, akazi ntabwo kabarika. Niyo mpamvu turi buvuge ngo we have much work, dufite akazi kenshi ko gukora. So shira muri comment section ibisubizo by'ibi bibazo bibiri, nimba wafashe itandukaniro rya much ndetse na many, ukaba wanafashe itandukaniro hagati ya at, on ndetse na in. Ikindi ntugende utadufollowinze, kandi niba ushaka kwiga ngizi nimero zanjye, nyandikira dutangire twigane Icyongereza. So thank you for watching.